Of our training. So what I'm going to talk today is safety standards in different application areas. You're really wondering why we have in the center the green, it's a 61508, and that's called like the mother standards. It's a generic one. Then you have the 26262 for the automobile. It's SOTIF 21448. We have for medical health, rail, safety of machines, gas detectors, and so on and so on. And as you can see, and maybe you notice some missing, some changed. So it's really something going on in the area of safety standards. What is the difference between these? So really, there are four major differences. One, you can see in here in blue, it's a safety classification. As we all start generic, it's a SEAL, safety integrity level. You can have from 1 to 4. The automotive, they call it 8, so automotive safety integrity level. The medical talk about classes, and other ones talk about the performance levels. So first we have the safety classification, how it's rated. That's one difference. The second one, how many parts do the standards have? That's range from 1 part from the 50408 for gas detectors and up to 4 that are mandatory and 3 informative for the 61508. And the automotive, they have 12 parts now, 2 for motorcycles. And so you have a lot of different number of parts and the number of requirements. How many safety requirements do we have to react on? How many do we have to be compliant and fulfill? We go up from 76 safety requirements, I'm not going to say which one that is, up to the 26262, who won with more than 1,600 safety requirements. So generic in the center, 61508, has about 600-700 safety requirements. So when you are talking about safety standards and which one we have to work and have to fulfill, it's always important to have in mind the safety classification, the number of safety requirements, the number of parts that are part of the standard, and last but not least, the terms. Do you talk about safety functions, safety goals? Do you have a safe state? Is it always the same? So my recommendation is take a good look which safety standards you're going to work according to, in which area, which part of the world, because it makes a big difference. Bye.